So is there anything you're gonna have when we get in there? Any particular kind? Okay. I don't know yet, but I think they had some strawberry one that sounded really good.
There you are.
A lot of sugar. Just a hint of coffee. It's cream and sugar. I got the lemon blueberry pancake, pancake platter with eggs, bacon, and potatoes. Really good. It smells really good.
And then I got the banana foster, and they suggested to be very careful with the syrup because it is very hot. And everything looks delicious. Alright, so I got the grits, which normally doesn't come with it, but I decided to get that instead because I don't eat meat, and it was bacon or sausage. But they give you the option to change for a few different items, and I decided to try their grits. Now, the server did tell us to be careful as we laid this because it was very hot, and now I see why she warned us.
Whoa, look at that. That looks really good.
But it looks really good. So it has butter, rum inside of the glaze that's used here, and we'll see if it's any good.
Enjoy.
All right, so we just left. What would you say?
It was really good. I would highly recommend it. And it was a really great atmosphere inside. They had a lot of really cool memorabilia from World War II, Civil War. It was just overall a really neat experience.
Now, one thing we learned in our adventure this morning is parking is not available everywhere on the meters. So make sure that you read the signs. But you want to make sure that you have coins because the machine only takes coins unless you're going to go into one of the parking garages. And be prepared. A lot of folks were parking in areas that were not available. So just make sure that you are mindful of that and aware of where you can and cannot park when you're in downtown Nashville.